Hey YouTube, this is going to be how to assemble your Firebird Delta Ray. So step one, they want you to take this thing and put it onto your LiPo battery, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so pretty simple, straightforward. Let's see, next step is put your batteries into the transmitter. Pretty self-explanatory. Alright, then they want you to take these and put them onto your wing tips. So let me get in frame here. That must be on that side. This is this side. Right? Pretty sure. Alright, nice and flush. Then they say take some double-sided tape and stick that in down. So let's see, the double-sided tape must be these things. Alright, so this must be it. Tape it down. Alright, so the next step is to take one of these, get some double-sided tape and put it in here. And they also want you to put double-sided tape on this, like the inside part. I want you to put tape right here. Okay. Something, yeah. And then they want you to put this clear tape on the sides. Make sure to get it nice and flush, press it down, and then you put it on the back side as well. That didn't really get nice and flush, but do that for both sides and I'll come back in a sec. The next step is to get this thing and then put your stabilizer on. So let's go ahead and do that now. Stick it nice and in there. There we go, now it went in. And it takes a little bit of pressure to do it. Alright, nice and steady. Moving on to the next page. Then I guess put in your battery, turn on the transmitter. Alright, getting the plug here. Plug it in. Alright, and they have Velcro in there, which is good. Alright, getting that stuck in there. Alright, now let's do a little check here. Up, down, left and right. It actually looks nice and trimmed out. And let's do a little throttle test here. Alright, nice. Alright, now where does it talk about the landing gear? Which, pretty sure it's just pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to walk you guys through that. Alright, so I'm going to do a little pause here. Alright, put the nose wheel on, put this one over it, and then get your screwdriver. And you got your little screws here. Use the little tiny ones that they include. See, they include 2, 4, 6 of them, so I'd say don't lose these. Whoop. Come on. Where is that other screwdriver? Here it is. And it's a Phillips head, just to let you know. Okay. The other one. Okay, I'll figure that out in a sec. Alright, put the 2 screws in there, make sure it goes in like that. Alright, and then you're done. Now let's go fly it.